How's it, everyone? Happy Monday. It is August 18th, and we are talking Hurricane Aaron, looking at satellite imagery on tropicaltidbits.com as the sun comes up over the storm this morning. As of yesterday, it was going through an eye wall replacement cycle. Currently, the storm is re-strengthening. And in case you haven't heard, we've got some swell on the way from this system. So, as we get into the forecast for the rest of the week, there's not too much out there quite yet on your Monday morning, but that is going to change rapidly throughout the day today. By the end of the day today, we're going to have 3 feet at 13 seconds of swell in the water, and winds should still be relatively light throughout the back half of the day. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we're going to have 6 feet at 15 seconds of swell in the water, with northeasterly winds increasing throughout the day. So not an ideal wind forecast, but we'll see how things pan out for tomorrow. Wednesday, we're going to have 8 to 9 feet of swell at 16 seconds in the water. So, lots of swell. Thursday, we're down to 5 to 6 feet at 13 seconds of swell with northerly winds. Winds look pretty good for Thursday, guys, locally. So, fingers crossed that wind forecast holds up. Friday, swell is going to diminish pretty significantly, down to 3 feet at 13 seconds of swell. Should be light winds in the morning, and truly this is a better swell size and period for our local beaches. So still Friday morning, definitely going to be worth at least putting eyes on. Saturday, Sunday, swell is pretty much completely gone. We're down to 1 feet at 12 seconds of swell. But by this weekend, we're going to be talking about round 2. This is another storm coming out of the main development region right now. This is the GFS model. Sunday night into early Monday morning, you see that low pressure system off of the eastern tip of Cuba. And as we go through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, you see it following that same, almost exact same track that Aaron is taking right now. So, after this week, we're on for round 2 for next week. We've definitely got waves on the way for the next few days. So, 2 very important things to talk about for the next few days. First of all, know your limits, everyone. If you do not have experience in heavy water, if you are not an experienced surfer, do not try to be a hero this week. Now is not the time. This swell is going to come on hard. It's going to come on fast. There's going to be really big waves, lots of rip currents. It's going to be dangerous. So if you are in doubt, the saying is do not paddle out. Because if you are in doubt and you do paddle out, you're likely going to hurt yourself or someone else, and that is the last thing we want happening. So, that's the first thing. Know your limits and be smart, everyone, this week. Second thing, the shop is operating on limited hours this week because we got to get our piece too. So today, Monday, we're opening at 10 a.m. We will be closing an hour early at 6 p.m. Tuesday, tomorrow, we are open from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Wednesday, we will be normal hours because it's going to be huge and probably going to be walled up closeouts. So Wednesday, normal hours, 10 to 7. Thursday, open an hour late at 11 a.m. We're going to see how conditions play out and potentially close early on Thursday too. Everybody go get your piece this week. Everybody be safe. Have fun. You.